For today's video, we're going to do a special Thanksgiving video. And so that's why I have this very special guest here. This here is Mrs. Gobbles. Mrs. Gobbles is a female Royal Palm turkey breed. And today we're going to take one of her feathers and look at her under the microscope. Go ahead and say hi, Mrs. Gobbles. Mrs. Gobbles has agreed to be a part of this video in honor of her late husband, Mr. Gobbles, and the viewing was held today. So today is 11/26, and tomorrow will be 11/27, which is also known as Thanksgiving. Here are pictures of the viewing. Anyway, let's get under that microscope. But before we do that, let's set Mrs. Gobbles free. All right, so we are now under the microscope, and here is Mrs. Gobbles' feather. We're gonna start at the end of the feather and work our way down. Now this is a very dirty feather, but that makes sense because Mrs. Gobbles lives outside. So she's gonna be dirty, but you can't actually see any of this dirt with your eyes. But those feathers look pretty cool. Almost look like Christmas tree branches. Anyway, I actually raised Mrs. Gobbles from a chick all the way to an adult. And so I've enjoyed raising turkeys, and they actually are pretty neat animals. They're not, in fact, they're probably one of the least bright animals. So they're kind of, the best way to say it is they're kind of dumb. But they are kind of sweet, and I like raising them. Here's the center of the feather, this big, long, or thick vein-like structure that has all these off breaks, and that is our center of our feather. But believe it or not, I have never actually butchered or eaten one of my own turkeys. I will eat a turkey on Thanksgiving, but I really don't want to butcher my own birds, so I don't. Anyway, if you are enjoying today's video, please subscribe. If you are not, like the video and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And I now want to move to the end of the feather where it's attached to the bird, and we can see what that looks like. Here we are. Here's that end. And this big circle on the end, it's open hollow tube, and that just attaches to the turkey's skin right there. You can see that hole. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and hope to see you next time.